Hello students, welcome to the next session of the video series by Code to Enhance Learning to learn Microsoft Office. In this session, we will learn how to generate marks, calculate averages and percentages, and use the mail merge feature in Word to create mark sheets for multiple students. Let's get started. Imagine a teacher handling marks for 50 plus students manually. That's time consuming. But with our computer skills, we can make this process faster and more efficient. What do you think we need to create a mark sheet? Let's explore. The purpose of this lesson is to help in automating calculations, reducing errors and saving time. It makes organizing and analyzing data easier. Beyond education, these skills are valuable in various fields like business and finance. By the end of this session, you will use the focus feature in your project like creating formula and use functions. Evaluate the focus feature in your project. To start, we need a structured table. Open Excel and create a table as shown on the screen. Since we don't have real scores, let's use the RANDBETWEEN function. In the cell E2, type this function and press enter. Then drag the fill handle down to apply it to all the students. This will generate random numbers between 35 to 100. Now let's calculate the total marks. Select the first student row and use the sum formula. Type this function and press enter. Drag it down to apply for all the students. Instead of calculating manually, we will use the average function. Select M2 cell and type this function. Press enter and drag it down to apply the formula for all the students. Excel has no direct percentage function. We will use a formula. In the cell N2, type this function and press enter. Drag it down to apply to all the students. To make this mark sheet more presentable, we will use MS Word and its mail merge feature. First, create a table in Word with placeholders for name, roll number, subject scores, total, average, and percentage. Go to the mailing tabs in Word, click select recipients and then click use existing list. Go to the folder where the Excel file is saved and then select it. Select the Excel sheet in which we have created the table from a window that will open as shown in the image. Now from the Word file we can access the data in the Excel sheet. Go in the space besides the name and select Insert Merge field. A new window will open with options we have for the title in the Excel sheet like serial number, name of the student, etc. Select the name of the student. Use preview results to check if the data is merging correctly. You would see that the average and percentage have too many decimals. Select the average percentage and press Alt plus F9 to show field codes. Locate your percentage merge field which looks like merge field percentage. Modify it to the following code. Press Alt plus F9 again and update the fields. And then again press F9. To generate all the mark sheets, go to the tab Mailing and then go to the option Finish and Merge. Select Edit Individual Documents, a new window will open. Select the option All and then click OK. All the file will be generated in a separate document which you can save and use as needed. We just learned how to use various formulas in Excel and use the mail merge feature in Word. It's time for a quick quiz. Let's see how much you have learned. How will you calculate the average in the cell M2 of the scores of children in different subjects? The correct option is A. Anusha wants to find the percentage of a score in an exam. She uses the following formula. Do you think the formula is correct? No, this formula is used to calculate the average. The correct formula should be this. That's all for today's tutorial. You have learned how to automate marksheets using Excel and Word. Thank you for joining. Let's meet in the next session.